This week's top stories.
LSE names Bouygues UK-Equitix Consortium as partner for Bankside student accommodation. 2,000 new student homes will be built in London's Bankside for the London School of Economics and Political Science. Construction is expected to start on site in 2026, with completion earmarked for 2030, ready for students to move into at the start of the academic year. Premier Inn apologises to Paralympic swimmer after lift outage. Paralympian Ellie Chalice and her father were unable to access their Premier Inn hotel room due to a broken lift. Lifts break down on average at least 4 times a year, with each breakdown taking an average of 4 hours to be fixed. British Cleaning Council urges companies to gift unused apprenticeship levy funds. The British Cleaning Council is appealing to large cleaning businesses to gift or transfer unused apprenticeship levy money to smaller organisations. BCC Chair Delia Canning said, "There are millions of pounds of levy funding every year from cleaning and hygiene sector companies which goes unused, so let's put this money to good use." For all the latest facilities and workplace management news, read more at TWinFM.com.